Opening a gold IRA doesn't have to feel like learning a new language, but it can if you don't know the steps. If you have ever thought about starting a gold IRA, the hardest part can be figuring out what happens after you say, I'm ready. This Welcome to Augusta guide lays it out in 5 clear steps, so there's no guesswork. First, you meet your customer success agent, who is your main point of contact. Then, your economic analytics team walks you through the current economic climate and how precious metals might fit your strategy. Next comes your order desk. This is where you decide exactly what you want to purchase. After that, the confirmation call ensures every detail is correct before moving forward. Finally, you receive your purchase confirmation, your official record that everything is complete. I've linked this guide in the description so you can follow along step by step. This guide is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. That's 8 PDFs in total. Each one tackles a different piece of the Gold IRA puzzle, from why precious metals to company integrity checklist and setup and pricing information. By going through them, you will have a clear, big picture view of how the process works before making any decisions. You can download the entire bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to read, and designed to help you move forward with confidence. Check the link in the description to get your copy.